Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable ping in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. It's important to let your system completely boot up before proceeding with any commands, as this ensures all necessary services and network components are running properly in the background. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, it's time to access the command prompt with administrative privileges. Navigate to your Start menu by clicking the Windows icon located on your taskbar, typically at the bottom of your screen. In the search box that appears, type CMD to search for the command prompt application. When the command prompt's result shows up in your search results, don't just click on it normally. Instead, right-click on it to reveal additional options, then select Run as Admin from the context menu. This step is crucial because running the command prompt as an administrator gives you the elevated permissions needed to execute network commands like ping without any restrictions or errors. After you select Run as Admin, a command prompt window will open on your screen with administrator privileges. You'll recognize it by the black background and white text, along with an indicator showing you're running as admin. Now, within this command window, you'll type a specific command to initiate the ping process. Type ping space -t space, followed by the destination you want to ping. For this tutorial, we'll use google.com as our example, so the complete command would look like ping space -t space google.com. Keep in mind that you can replace this URL with any IP address or domain name you need to test connectivity with. Once you've typed the command, press Enter on your keyboard to execute it. After hitting Enter, you'll immediately start seeing ping results appear continuously on your screen. These results show you the response time from the destination server, measured in milliseconds, and they'll keep updating in real time. This continuous ping is useful for monitoring connection stability over an extended period. The results will continue appearing line by line, giving you ongoing feedback about your network connection quality and any potential packet loss or latency issues. When you're ready to stop the ping process, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press the C button. This keyboard shortcut interrupts the continuous ping operation. Once you do this, the command prompt will display a comprehensive summary of your ping statistics. You'll see important information including the minimum response time, maximum response time, average response time, and the packet loss percentage. These statistics help you understand the overall quality and reliability of your connection to that destination. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and executed a ping command in Windows 11, allowing you to test and monitor your network connectivity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.